Welcome back to the channel, Autoland. Today we're taking a closer look at one of the most iconic supercars on the road, the 2025 Lamborghini Huracan. With its sharp design, high-performance specs, and unmistakable presence, this machine continues to redefine what it means to drive a modern-day exotic car. The 2025 Huracan arrives with evolutionary updates that keep the spirit of Lamborghini alive while introducing subtle refinements to performance, design, and technology. At the heart of the Huracan is a naturally aspirated 5.2-liter V10 engine, a masterpiece that delivers exhilarating power and a soundtrack that can only come from Lamborghini. It produces up to 640 horsepower, sending the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 2.9 seconds. Whether you're on the track or cruising the city streets, the power delivery is instant and aggressive, giving you full control over a beast that never compromises. One of the most exciting aspects of the 2025 Huracan is its updated design. Lamborghini hasn't changed the formula too much, because let's be honest, it already looked perfect. However, you'll notice enhancements in the front and rear fascia, sleeker air intakes, and newly designed LED lighting that gives the car a more futuristic edge. The lines are sharper, the stance is lower, and everything screams speed even when it's parked. Inside the cabin, Lamborghini continues to blend raw performance with luxury. The cockpit feels like a fighter jet, wrapped in Alcantara, carbon fiber, and fine leather. A digital instrument cluster sits in front of the driver, offering customizable views for performance data, navigation, and media. The infotainment system has been updated for 2025 with faster response times and a more intuitive layout. You also get Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and optional Amazon Alexa integration to keep you connected on the go. Lamborghini has also worked on making the Huracan smarter and more driver-friendly without losing its edge. The 2025 model includes the latest version of Lamborghini Dinamica Veicolo Integrata, a sophisticated driving dynamics system that manages the car's traction, steering, suspension, and torque distribution. Whether you choose Strada, Sport, or Casa mode, the Huracan adapts instantly to match your driving mood. On the track, Casa mode sharpens everything to deliver maximum performance, while Strada offers a smoother, more road-friendly experience for daily driving. Let's talk about handling. The Huracan's all-wheel drive system offers insane grip in corners, especially when combined with Lamborghini's rear-wheel steering and adaptive suspension. You feel every movement, every shift in weight, and every bit of road feedback through the steering wheel and chassis. It's engaging and intense, just the way a supercar should be. The brakes are just as serious as the engine. With carbon ceramic discs as standard, the stopping power is jaw-dropping. No matter how fast you're going, you always feel in control, confident that the car will stop exactly when and where you want it to. For those who care about numbers, the top speed of the 2025 Huracan sits above 202 miles per hour. But this car is about more than just numbers, it's about the experience. The sound of that V10 revving to redline, the feel of the road through the steering wheel, and the rush of acceleration that pins you to your seat all come together to create a driving experience unlike anything else. Lamborghini also offers the Huracan in several variants, including the Evo, STO, and Technica, each tailored to different styles of performance and aesthetics. Whether you're looking for a track-focused machine or a more road-friendly exotic, there's a version of the Huracan that will fit your taste. Of course, no Lamborghini comes cheap. The starting price of the 2025 Huracan sits around $250,000, and that number climbs quickly with custom options, unique paint finishes, and interior upgrades. But for those who want the very best in Italian performance and design, it's worth every penny. So there you have it, the 2025 Lamborghini Huracan, a true icon that continues to evolve without losing the soul that made it legendary. From its roaring V10 to its razor-sharp handling and jaw-dropping design, this is a car built not just to be driven, but to be experienced. Thanks for watching today's review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Autoland for more updates on the latest cars, reviews, and supercar content. I'll see you in the next video.